So please give it up tonight one time. Enough noise. And please remain standing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my fair lady, Rochelle. Happy birthday to you. Thank you, Anthony.
Wow, wow. Another round of applause, please, for Mr. Gale. Wow.